Prime Minister Modi will address the nation at 10 a.m. on Tuesday as the deadline for the 21-day lockdown ends. But many states have already announced an extension, and it is likely the Prime Minister will announce the same with modifications for resumption of certain economic activities in certain regions. The government has been mulling a phase-wise lifting of the lockdown. More clarity is expected from the Prime Minister's address. 2 people were readmitted at a Noida hospital after being discharged for being COVID-19 negative. The cleared person's third samples had tested positive. A detailed report will be sent to the centre after the doctors investigate, officials said. Dharavi, one of the largest slums in Asia in Mumbai, recorded yet another death and 4 more COVID-19 cases on Monday. With this, the total number of deaths in Dharavi has gone up to 5. Authorities have already begun door-to-door testing in this area, where around 700,000 people live squeezed in about 2.1 square kilometers. A private hospital in Agra has been sealed after 20 people, including patients, their attendants and health staff members, tested positive for coronavirus. This is another case of a hospital becoming a cluster for coronavirus. Of the 31 new cases in UP on Sunday, at least 12 of them were reported from Agra and 9 were reported from the private hospital alone. Since April the 6th, scientists have observed a slight but noticeable flattening of the curve in the number of fresh cases of coronavirus in India. This trend observed by the Chennai Mathematical Sciences Institute is an indication that the lockdown may be successful so far in curbing transmission. Another source for comfort is that the positivity rate, or the proportion of people testing positive against the total number of tests being conducted, has remained more or less static despite an increase in the number of tests. The government is mulling a plan to start some manufacturing activities in industrial townships with limited workforce and safeguards in place. Construction activities may be allowed with labourers living on site. Textile, auto and electronic manufacture could begin with about 20 to 25% workforce in a single shift. Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday said that the economic slowdown because of the coronavirus pandemic has made Indian companies susceptible to takeovers and demanded the corporates must be protected from foreign interests. To this, BJP's Tejasvi Surya retorted that likewise the Congress party was suffering from foreign takeover, which was having a disastrous effect on the nation. The Supreme Court held valid Madhya Pradesh Governor Lalji Tandon's decision to order a floor test in the State Assembly after the resignation of 22 Congress MLAs. The Apex Court bench, headed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, said the governor was right in ordering the floor test as the Congress government had lost the majority. This comes as a breather to the new Shivraj Singh Chauhan-led government.